Hanz Learnz HTML Part 5. We're back.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this page look like a real page. So for instance, I'm just going to paste in a real paragraph of text. And I'm just going to format it so it's a little bit easier on the eyes. You know what? I'm going to go view and word wrapping. There we go, format word wrap.
Oh, you wrap.
Yeah, so this way we can just see what's going on. And so we have our main title. Let's say...
I see what the wrap does. You see everything on your screen. It doesn't go off the screen.
Yeah, now this is not going to affect the way it looks in the browser. We're just doing it here so it's just easier to code.
Right. This is the main title. This is the subtitle.
So we're good with that. You know, let's learn a new tag. First we're going to add another header.
H4. So this should be smaller than H3?
Yes, exactly.
All right.
So, I don't know, groceries.
List of groceries.
So,
which reminds me, I've got to do my groceries.
Me too, actually. So now we're going to learn something called the list tag.
Right, list.
In HTML. How to create lists. Now there's two types of list in HTML. There's the ordered list.
Ordered list, OL, okay.
I see it's pretty obvious. Now let's just close it up with the /. Now this is a new type of tag because you got the opening and closing.
Right.
But you also have subtags.
Subtags?
Yeah. So these tags exist only within the list tags. You can't have these tags outside of the list tags.
So these tags need to be in the list tags.
Exactly. And the LI tag is short for list item.
Right. It's like a cyborg, you know, the flesh can't live without the robotic part and vice versa.
So let's think of what would be some items on your grocery list.
Let's say I'm out of apples. I'm going to buy some of those, you know, the Macintosh.
I'm just going to copy and paste because copy and paste is what you want to do when you're coding because it prevents mistakes.
Oh, because you're copying exactly the same thing. Let's see, I need some bananas. Yeah, I'm out of bananas. You know when they get black and they're not good anymore? So then you've got to buy fresh bananas. Let's see, what else? I need some oranges. They're kind of out of season, but I still like them. What else? I wanted to make some French fries. I know that's not right. You know, that's fattening, but potatoes, exactly. I personally like watermelon. Not everyone does.
It's too big.
I like, I don't know, what else is there? The fruits. How about an onion?
That's not a fruit.
I like cherries. Yeah.
That's right. There's 2 R's. Huh?
There's 2 R's in cherries, I think. I don't know. You're asking an Austrian.
So I'm just going to save this.
Right. So I've got a grocery list here.
We got a grocery list. Let's see what the HTML does to present everything we've just done here.
Right.
I was going to launch it this way.
Oh, it put a number in front.
So let's take a look at the code, view source.
But we didn't put any numbers in there.
No, we didn't. But HTML is smart enough to put numbers for us.
Why?
Well, that's because the programmers, the guys who created HTML, made it that way.
Okay.
Again, HTML is not only providing formatting for us, sort of organizing things on the page, but it's actually providing a logical meaning, right? Where we know now that this is an ordered list. It has order.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's
I see. Order meaning the numbers.
Yeah. And if I just...
It puts them in order.
Yeah. If you just to... Well, actually, I want to get out of this. Let me just edit the code.
This is fantastic.
So let's say we move cherries from the bottom, put it in the second position.
Right.
I'll save that. Now, it's in the second position.
It makes sense because potatoes are way on the other side.
So now you got the cherries at the bottom here. So let's refresh where we had put it in the second position. And cherries is number 5.
It's now number 2 because you moved it up.
Exactly. So the position of the list item in your list will dictate what number you see beside it.
And this is because it's an ordered list.
Exactly. It has order. So let's actually learn a new list type.
Yeah, there are other types of lists.
Yeah, there's actually two other types, but these are the two types we use all the time. List of groceries, too. And this is the only difference. We replace the O with a U.
What does that stand for?
Unordered list.
Unordered list.
So I'll save that.
Like a messy list.
Exactly. See, again, we're getting that. The process cannot access the file because it's being used by another process. So I'm going to go OK. Let's cancel that. I'm just going to go back into the deselect that. That's some weird behavior in Windows 7. So I just saved it. And we can just refresh this again.
Oh, this time it put bullets.
Exactly, because the unordered list by default
has no order.
So the browser just adds bullets.
I get it. All this time I've been going in the web and this is what it is?
So that's all it is.
This is amazing.